Hey, it's Andy with CBMtools.com and welcome back to the YouTube channel. We are going to be doing something a little bit different today. You're going to meet some of the CBM Tools staff and they're going to be recommending some of their favorite Streamlight items to use and sell. We've got a great promo going on all Streamlight products, 15% off, Streamlight 15 promo code. All right, come with me and let's meet the guys. Hey Justin, what's your favorite Streamlight?
I actually got one right here. This one happens to be my favorite. We do pick a lot of these. We sell a lot of them. The Stylus Pro, USB, fully rechargeable. This skinny little body will throw 350 lumens out for you. You got the whole kit, the charging brick, and the USB cable in the box, so you're ready to go right from the jump. And it's just super convenient. It fits in a lot of tight places. It's got good, strong, bright bulb on it, and they seem to last a real long time, so they are a heavy hitter.
Hey Derek, what's your favorite Streamlight?
It's actually the wedge, the Streamlight wedge.
Show me.
Yeah, let's go. It's all the way down here. Got for them in the coyote and
Like
then
the
the
coyotes
black.
or the black?
I like the black. Both have 1,000 lumens, but these are my favorite.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Doug. Yeah, we'll get that order placed for you today. Thanks. Bye.
Sean, what's your favorite Streamlight?
Funny you should ask. I just got, talking to somebody about the ProTac series of flashlights. So small and compact, yet bright. These two, for example, you can either do with a CR123 or a AA battery. Improves the brightness of it levels. But yeah, these ones are great. ProTac series.
Thanks, Sean. All right, guys, you heard it from the staff. Great Streamlight stuff in stock, 15% off. Use promo code Streamlight15, and don't forget about all the other great brands we have: SK, Ingersoll Rand, Vim, Channel Lock. We've got it all, guys. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.